Hi, my name is Marijn Vermeulen. I'm presenting on behalf of Jorien Roelands and the other members of our chrononutrition research group. In the next 3 minutes, I'm going to show you that human milk composition does not only vary over the lactation period or between boys and girls, but also over the day. There are factors such as the hormone melatonin and fats that show a circadian or 24-hour rhythm in milk. Other factors such as the total protein content and carbohydrates do not vary over the day. Of most nutritional factors, it is still unknown whether they are expressed in a 24-hour rhythm due to the lack of high-quality studies and contradictory results. Why do we believe it is relevant to know which components of human milk are expressed in a 24-hour rhythm? Nearly every cell in the body has a circadian rhythm, and this rhythm is highly relevant for healthy functioning. A disrupted rhythm, for example induced by shift work, is associated with health problems such as sleep disorders, cardiometabolic risks, and cancer. Genetically, the rhythm is not exactly 24 hours, which means that it is necessary to keep it in phase with the 24-hour daily cycle, and this is done by several cues or zeitgebers, of which the most important are light, but also noise and food. In utero, the fetus has no own circadian rhythm yet, but is kept in phase by maternal cues. And after birth, the biological clock needs to be developed under influence of cues such as light, noise, and food. Circadian variations in human milk are suggested to transfer important chronobiological information from the mother to the child to assist in the development of the biological clock of the child. So therefore, we conducted a systematic review on circadian variation in human milk composition. We included 83 studies, in total reporting on the daily fluctuation of 71 different human milk components. We observed high heterogeneity among the studies. Studies were conducted all over the world, but mostly in Western countries. Study populations ranged from 1 to 200 lactating mothers, and most of them delivered at term, and lactational stages ranged from colostrum to mature milk. And to summarize our findings, we found convincing evidence for individual proteins, fat, cholesterol, iron, melatonin, cortisol, and cortisone to have a circadian variation in human milk. Of other factors such as carbohydrates, total protein content, fatty acids, vitamins, and calcium, the literature did not show circadian variation in human milk composition. But of most components assessed in the literature, data were inconclusive. We consider more research on this topic as extremely important, especially for infants admitted to neonatal intensive care units where pumped milk is most often given irrespective of the timing of pumping. It might be beneficial to give it synchronized to timing of pumping for the development of the circadian clock and thereby long-term health of the infant. We kindly invite you to download our open access paper on this topic. We thank you very much for your attention and don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions. Thank you.